In remodeling your home, the first thing we want to ask is, will this project be an update or an upgrade? An update doesn't always require all the professionals around it. It is usually just improving the color scheme, and it might just be pulling out and replacing what's already there. But an upgrade helps improve your life at home. And in those kinds of projects, we need to get a team around the project with our project designers, our project managers, our vendor partners, and our trade partners. We are looking out for you to improve not only the conditions and the look of the space, but to make it more functional and make it work for you. So in the case of a bathroom, we may want to think about today and the future. Perhaps in the future, we need to accommodate a wheelchair or a walker. We would consider things like a curbless shower and an outlet at the toilet where you could install a future bidet. Those are the kinds of things that homeowners don't often think about, but when you have a team around you, you will start to understand what home can be for you.